Welcome 5310 summer class. I'm going to share with you a bit of a course overview, 5 slides in 5 minutes or less, what you should expect for this summer, and how you should walk through the basics of this course. So let's get started. Okay, first of all, number one, let me talk about course structure. Course structure. This course is broken into modules, okay? Modules are groupings of things tied to the course, okay? So there's 5 modules. They're basically broken into the 5 weeks of this summer course, or the 4.5, 5 weeks of the summer course. And they're moving from strategy to creative, okay? But 5 modules with reading and an assignment and my lectures, okay? So think about these as 5 weeks where you have something due here in this summer course. Okay, course outcomes. There's 3 basic outcomes. This is strategic communication and writing. So we're going to talk about things like a segmented audience. So you're going to understand the basic concepts. You're going to write about these concepts, and then you're going to create a campaign. That's number 2, right? Number 3, how do I get a grade? Okay, 2 discussion boards, a midterm open book, open note exam, and a final project. This is all laid out in your syllabus. It's all laid out on Blackboard. Discussion boards, midterm, final project. That's number 3. Okay, give me some more details. What's due when? How's it tied together? Do I need the text? Blah, 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 blah. Yes. Okay. We're going to use Blakeman's newest text. This is a 2024 version. It is highly upgraded for digital marketing and social media, which you need. Okay. This textbook is readily available. Digital copy's great. Okay. Hard copy you can share with someone in this class, but we will use this book every week of the module. You'll need it, okay? So make sure you have access to this book. Someone's going to ask me, can I use the older version of the textbook? Yes, but there are some important chapters in the end that are not the same, okay? This versus the previous version, this one has been correctly updated for digital marketing and social media. So your choice. If you get an older version, you have to follow along. I'm not going to help you keep up. I've upgraded all of my lectures to match this particular textbook. This is the 2024 version. You can see there the 5 modules, 5 weeks. This moves quick, okay? And you can also find this detailed calendar marked in the intro as the old school syllabus. It's in the bottom if you scroll the PDF. This will also detail each assignment, how it's graded, how many points are available, things like that. Basically 500 points. You've got to work through it. You can see what's there. Last thing I'm going to talk about, okay, this is number 5. Let me tell you a little bit about my background and why I love this course, okay? Since I started my professional career in my early to mid-20s, I've been managing integrated marketing campaigns for nonprofits. Since I was like 22, 23 years old, and actually even before that, before I even knew what I was doing this, okay? So what you're getting now is almost 30 years of experience of someone who has done this in all different kind of media environments, and I love this stuff, okay? Now, so you say, well, that's great, Dr. Brown, you did that a long time ago. No, I am currently always consistently consulting, including this summer, with businesses and nonprofits. Including this summer, which I'm going to talk about some in the lectures, I'm working with a social media and guerrilla type advertising integrated marketing campaign this summer. with the market, the target market of big audience, the big population is about 30,000. We're targeting a segment of these. It's internal marketing to an annual convention. So I'm doing this. My paycheck depends on doing this, okay? So not only is this something I've done in the past, it's something I'm doing now. Third thing is I have a lot of pro students in my network. We have a group at Tech that gets together and they talk to us about, I'm a nonprofit, that's my specialty, but we have people in healthcare, gas and oil, public schools, corporate, insurance, all these different areas where communication works, and I'm always listening and learning, so I'm going to share the best practices with you. So research, I'm involved in research and in consulting, and I'm going to share this best with you. I want you to know that just like other profs at Tech that you're going to run into this program, we are staying current through research and consulting, and we're bringing that back to the classroom to you. Okay, 5 things in 5 minutes. I think you've got all of it. It's a good overview of the course. I can't wait to see what you do in this course. Thank you. Look forward to seeing your work soon.